Since day one, Bootstrap Farmer has designed tools with one question in mind. What does this need to survive, season after season, day after day, whenever you depend on it? That guiding question is still the same, but what has changed is how close hoop house fabrication has been moved to all of our employees, our warehouse, and what that means to you as a grower. If you want to know how something is built or how we came to some of the decisions we've been making, ask them in the comments below. Growing for a living is different than growing for fun. There are no guarantees. Weather shifts, pests show up, crops fail, and timelines move. When something breaks on your farm, it's not an inconvenience. It's a loss of time, lost momentum, and sometimes lost income. That really shapes how we think about equipment here at Bootstrap Farmer, because your tools are a part of your livelihood. We have always designed our equipment in-house, and our hoop house materials and fabrication have always been USA sourced and USA made. What has changed is that fabrication now happens under our roof here in Northeast Texas. That means the tools that you rely on are built closer to the people that support them, ship them, and test them by people who understand what it means to work in real-world conditions. When fabrication, testing, and customer service work near each other, feedback moves faster and nothing gets lost in handoff. Customer service is only a few steps away from the designers who talk with growers every day, and from the fabricators building the equipment those growers depend on. Questions don't move through layers. They go directly to the people responsible for the answers. That closeness matters because the environments growers work in are not gentle. Wind, heat, cold, and long seasons put real stress on structures. By keeping fabrication under one roof, and with our specialty trained fabrication team, we maintain direct control over how equipment is built, how it's tested, and how it holds up over time. What we design, what we build, and what we support are not separated by distance, handoff, or third parties. This keeps responsibility close to where decisions are made and where the work actually happens. If something needs to be understood, the people who built the equipment are the same ones who answer for it. You'll see the same approach to everything we do here at Bootstrap Farmer, from the USA-made injection trays to our new research farm we'll talk about in the next couple of videos. This is not a change of direction for us. It's a continuation of what we've always done. The goal is to build equipment that is durable, dependable, and designed for people who use it every day in real operations. Fabricating in-house means that we can make changes faster and control inventory levels so those changes get out into the field faster. We built this setup for you, not for us. Closer fabrication means tighter control, faster answers, and less guessing for growers who do not have time to waste. You have invested in us over the years, and we're reinvesting back into you. If you care about equipment that is built in the United States by people who stand behind what they make, we are going to keep giving you reasons to feel confident in that choice. Because when you rely on tools to make your living, how they built counts. Visit bootstrapfarmer.com to see the new USA fabricated kits, additions to our lineup, and see the difference for yourself. And when you're ready for a custom bid, guided by our team, give us a call. We'll be here for you and with you season after season.